Get Sunday Fun Day. Friday is a great day because it's time for Traders Unplugged. Joining us now from the Flora CME Group, Knuckman and Scott Shellady. Good morning. Are you ready to rumble?
Let's do it.
Here's your topic number one, history lesson. Now is considered by some the best time in history to invest in the market. What reason do you see for buying stocks?
Well, I like that we both agree on this. It's absolutely true. We have a level playing field. A combination of technology, tight spreads, low commissions make it the best time ever for the retail investor. They can execute their trading plan and control their risk, and that's what you need in these markets.
No, and it's about availability, scalability, and how you enter and exit the market. And yes, I totally agree with you. Now, whether or not this market's too high or not, it's a different story. But I think that now the at-home trader or the retail investor
trader
has got
they've got the
best
tools,
spreads they've ever had in their entire.
And they don't have to pay the $1 million that you did for your seats.
It's absolutely correct.
They have access to the markets anytime, any direction, any market. This internet's gonna work for everybody, I think.
I agree.
Topic number two, Money Max and Min. Goldman Sachs analysts say raising the minimum wage would not be a job killer. Are you a buyer or seller of that, or even Goldman Sachs stock?
The floor is yours, my friend.
Go ahead.
I'm a believer in Goldman Sachs because, number one, they're a financial institution. Interest rates are low. Earnings come out very soon. Looking for Goldman to go to $200. That's about 20% higher than we are now. To get to the minimum maximum wage situation, all of the minimum wage workers in America combined made half of the money of Wall Street bonuses in 2013.
Yep,
Think about that.
There we go. And whose fault is it that we've had the largest gap between
I'm
rich
just
and poor?
making a point.
Anyway, so I agree with the Goldman Sachs call. We're at the bottom end of a large uptrend channel. If we get below 163, I don't want to be in anymore. But as long as we're above that, I think it's okay.
So
but
Goldman
at the end of the
is
day,
right, and
Goldman is like,
higher minimum wage would help everybody.
No, why do we? The minimum wage argument's it's only an argument because the economy's so bad. We wouldn't have to worry about it if the economy was doing well.
The stock market's not bad.
You're changing the focus.
The stock market's not bad.
No, but that's not the economy, is it?
No, that's my point.
Topic number three, bananas to split. Google did a 2-for-1 stock split this week. What does that mean for shares?
Well, obviously, that's what it means for shares they have in value. But some people are still calling the earnings per share to be the same, which means they were looking for double the earnings. However, I say that the reason they did it, obviously, is because of control.
Right.
And because they keep giving away stock options, that's why they get diluted, and that's why they had to do this.
So there are voting shares and non-voting shares. You get one of each, and what's going to happen now, there's going to be 501 components in the S&P 500 now, which is going to be interesting. But from a trading standpoint, this lowers the price and makes it more appealing to the individual investor. Still $570 or whatever, still not cheap. But to get back to the highs in relative terms, we still got 20% more upside, Google, just to get back to those highs. And if it gets back to those highs, then we'll look for another $100 move.
All right, in English,
20% higher.
It's an old trick and it works. How's that?
There you go. It does work. Higher.
Yeah.
Well, with all this talk about high-frequency trading, we have a need for speed in our bonus round question today. So which is the phony ticker symbol? Fast, F-A-S-T, quick, K-W-K, or rush, R-U-S-H?
I'm going to say rush.
I have no idea.
I know KWK is Quicksilver, but I don't know what the other two are.
Got it. Quicksilver is an actual ticker. Fast is fast now, and rush, we made it up.
Good work.
There we go.
You weren't that fast.
Every now and again.
You weren't that
Every now and
fast.
again, a blind squirrel finds a nut. There we go.
We'll be back right after this. Thank you.